Today we're going to paint Canyonlands from the National Canyon Park. So we're going to have kind of a beginning of a sunset. It's kind of clear sky in here, but I think I'm going to add a sunset to make it more. And they have this canyons here, so it's going to be a challenge because the canyons have like kind of an orange to brown, and that's all you have. Except for the water where you might have a little bit of blue in it, but basically you're going to have just these brown to orange colors, so it's quite a challenge to get right. So the question of the day is, what's one thing you should never do with chopsticks and rice? All right, let's run through the colors. Titanium white, Mars black, burnt umber, yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, quin blue, cyan, phthalo green, quin red, pearly red, primary yellow. Let's get the party started. The initial scene on the sky, kind of made up the sky. It was clear. I made it kind of more colorful. It's more interesting, and I got to make sure these colors make sense through here as well. So we'll see if we need to adjust that. Maybe make some lighter lights here and then carry that through. This is too red. I need some color here, but this is way too red. So I'll get that kind of a browner color. Clear this up, and just start detailing a little bit better of some of the colors and get this river. This is way too blue. It needs to be kind of a lighter blue, so we'll see where we go. So one thing you should never do is put chopsticks straight into rice, because that's a symbol of mourning the dead. So you definitely don't want to show you're mourning the dead at dinner. So definitely never show. That's kind of symbolic of the sticks, the incense they burn for mourning the dead. So don't ever do that with chopsticks in Asian cultures. That's the question today. Thanks for watching. All right, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look. So skywise, I'm pretty happy. I like the sun, how it really turned out, kind of a golden yellow. I changed how you had a red circle, but then it just looked too weird. I mean, the real sun is just white with yellow. I like the colors of the canyon. The river turned out well. The foreground turned out well. These near cliffs didn't turn out so well. Well, this painting just is, it is what it is right now. I could put it aside, but I just want to close the book on it. Color-wise, I think it's okay. It's, you know, it's kind of working, but then some of the cliff areas don't look very believable. But as an abstract, it's okay. Hopefully someone will buy it. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching.